Hello, you're watching Teacher Tech's first tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert special characters on Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drawings. It's all the same in every one of them. So all you have to do is click Insert in the menus. You click Insert, then you click Special Characters. This will open the Insert Special Characters pop-up. Now, it might look a little complicated. Let me just go back to the home screen. Might take a second. Right. And so this should be what you're seeing here. And what this does is it allows you to search for and choose any symbol or character in general that you want to type on your document. For example, in the home page, we have all different types of arrows. For example, the one here came from this selection. And it provides you with, of course, you can pick from search results, previous search results, and recent characters. But when you select categories, it gives you this really long list of categories to choose from for different symbols. And each category also has many subcategories. Whoops, I clicked one by accident. For example, mathematics. Let's look at that. These are some symbols, not all of them that you'll use frequently, but for example, the division sign, the real multiplication sign, not just the x, the plus minus sign, and some of these you can find on your keyboard, any normal keyboard, and the inequality symbols somewhere over here. Yeah, these two. They're things that you can't get on your regular keyboard, so you'd want to use this for that. Now, what some people do is they'll just search it up on Google and copy and paste. You can do that, but it's just really slow and it doesn't give you the full selection all at once. In addition, this can be used for language special characters, such as if I clicked Latin, for example. I guess not few, a lot of them are going to be characters that are already on your keyboard because you type in English and English uses the Latin alphabet. But you'll also see accented characters that normally you'd only be able to get with language keyboards, but if you don't frequently type in a specific language, you might want to use special characters instead. For example, if you're a student taking Spanish class, such as me, what I do always is I use special characters, the special characters menu, to get accent marks. And you'll also see other foreign accent letters, such as from Vietnamese or maybe some German letters, things like that. And what's really okay, let's just use the regular search bar first. For example, if I wanted to find smile, let's find a smile emoji, maybe smiling. Yeah, see, here's a selection of emojis, which, by the way, are in the categories. There's an emoji category, and but what's really useful with this is if you don't know the name of a letter, for example, all you have to do is draw it in this drawing pad. For example, an accented E. And it doesn't have to be the neatest thing in the world, especially since you're drawing it maybe with a mouse or a mouse pad, but it recognizes what you're drawing, and it's likely to be in the set that it shows you. For example, it's actually the first choice here. It's exactly what I was looking for. And this arrow here just resets the drawing pad in case you mess up. And it doesn't just work with letters, of course. You can draw faces, maybe, for emojis. For example, this smiley. And look at that, it's right there. And I can speak a little Chinese, so I'll try writing some. That's the character Ni, which means you. And it's right there, first result, even though my handwriting's not the best on a computer. So I'll reset that, and that's really about it. That's all you have to do to get characters like these. Thanks for watching.